We'll start by importing switch from React Native. We'll then render our switch and pass in value equals this.props.complete. Now when we refresh and we add an item, this is a to-do, to the list, we can see that there is now a switch item being rendered, and we can toggle that with our toggle all complete. Our text is now slammed to the end, so we'll wrap our text in a view. We'll then create a text wrap style. We'll give it flex 1 as well as margin horizontal of 10 to add 10 pixels of margin on both sides. So we'll then apply that style equals styles.text wrap. And we refresh, add an item. This is a to-do. You can now see that the text is back to where it started. Now we'll go add a complete style, which will apply to our text when the item becomes complete. We'll say text decoration line, and we'll get a value of line through. We'll then go destructure complete from this dot props. We'll change this to just complete. We'll switch over our styles on our text to an array and say complete and styles.complete. This will apply the styles complete style when the thing becomes complete. So when we refresh and add an item and then toggle our completion status, we can see that the text becomes struck through. We'll now add an on value change function to our switch and say this.props.onComplete. We'll go to our app and we'll create a handle toggle complete, which will take a key and a completion status. Then we'll say const new items equals this.state.items, and we'll map over each of our items. And inside here, if we say if item.key doesn't equal the key that we're looking for, then we'll just return the old item. Otherwise, we'll return item, we'll spread in, and then add the new complete flag. Then we can say this.setSource, new items, new items. Now we'll go bind our handle toggle complete. We'll now pass in on complete equals a function, this dot handle toggle complete, which will pass in our key, then the complete value that gets passed back up to us. And now when we refresh, add an item, we can toggle the completion status at the row level.